In this video, we will check how to clean up all the Docker images. So to check what are all the Docker images available, give the command Docker images. So we have all these. What are all running? For that you can give Docker ps. So actually nothing is running now. So we'll try to delete. Command is Docker system prune. See, warning, this will remove all the stop containers, all the networks not used by at least one container, all the dangling images and the build cache. Everything it will remove. But it will not remove the volume. So if you want to remove the volumes also, then you have to give this. I'll come out of it. Docker system prune -a volumes. See, it will remove the volume also. So you can see the difference between these two. So here 1, 2, 3, 4 options. Here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Extra one is the volumes. So we'll try to remove and check. So it has reclaimed 773.6 MB. So now we'll see Docker images. Done. It's cleaned. So this is how we can clean the Docker images. Thank you.